Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Now you need to choose while using the app or only this time, and select Allow in all the other pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Now you need to access Settings and tap on Apps section right away. From it, select Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Now you need to click on Default Apps. Finally, click on Launcher at the top, click on iOS one, and tap on Home button. As you can see, after that, I need to choose OK, tap on Got it, and Apple Layout was applied successfully on my XIAOMI smartphone. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!